Hello, in this video I will be discussing the poetic devices found in the poem Birches, and we have about 5 here. Number 1 is metaphor. We can find metaphorical statements in line 12, whereby we have words as shattered ice blocks. Also, we also have heaps of broken glass. We also have metaphorical statements in line 10, whereby the poet makes use of crystal shells. All these are metaphorical in nature. He compares one thing as another without the use of as or like. Number 2 is simile. We can find this poetic device used in line 19 and 45, whereby the poet compares two things of not similar nature without with using as and like to compare both. Number 3, we have rhetorical question. Line 23, the poet turns reader's attention to the preferred to what he actually prefers to be swinging the birch, to be responsible for the swinging of the birch. So there is a question he asked in that line 23 that is rhetorical. It doesn't really demand an answer immediately, because the answer is evident in the course of the poem. Number 4 is enjambment, which is the running on lines of an idea of a line onto the next. So almost half of the poem and the lines reveal full meanings in other lines. So the half of the poem is the half of the meaning of a line is met in another line, and then it actually makes sense. So the last poetic device used by Robert Frost is symbols. This is so evident in all of the lines in the poem. Swinging birches is actually symbolic, and then it connotes a temporary escape from the difficulties in life in order to renew one's strength and then come back and tackle these challenges. So it is symbolic in nature. It creates an image, a picture of an escape from challenges in life. So these are pretty much the poetic devices that are predominant in the poem Birches by Robert Frost. In our next video, I will be discussing past questions from SSC.